Manicure Pro, that's your hands.
Sí, unos paquetes mejor.
Oh.
Ajá.
No, I don't want both. I just want pedicure.
Feet. You'll get asked to buy something. You'll see they hit me up a lot out here. They'll hit you up a lot too on my special. Mexican candles. Is it? Oh, Candies. I said candles. Ran into a little show. Like it's literally every street. Like this ain't even a street we know anything about. No matter. It's a hotel.
Yeah. It's nice.
Boy, watch your toes, bro.
Huh?
Watch your toes.
Oh, yeah.
Shoot. You came with it. Parking machine. Dang, they got the parking machine. You're gonna have to go in there. Yeah. So we're gonna head up to Fifth Avenue. We're gonna take you guys on a Fifth Avenue walking tour. Let you check it out, man. It's one of my favorite places in Playa Del Carmen, Fifth Avenue. Hope you guys enjoy it. We gotta put some money in the parking meter, and then we will be on our way. Okay, so it goes all the way down there. You'll get asked to buy something. You'll see they hit me up a lot out here. They'll hit you up a lot too on my special. Candies, we gotta go to our other spot. Huh? At 80, the one Madison Light? Yeah. Like they were in before. Mexican candles. Is it? Oh, Candies. I said candles. Huh? Hola. Tequila. Too much tequila yesterday. Massage. Nice. Thank you. And also my camera is a magnet that says tourist all over my forehead. So everybody's gonna offer me something because of this camera. So hopefully y'all appreciate me going through this for y'all. Cause I'm gonna get hit the whole way. Cause I'm screaming tourist. See? See what I told you? Told you. I said my camera screams tourist. See, this is it right here.
Oh, okay. Yep, that's
You want to grab ice cream? Or you want to go somewhere and sit down and relax? Okay. She wants to find a place to relax, sit down, somewhere nice.
later, you know. Yeah.
Later, maybe later. Okay, we'll see. We'll see, man. We're just playing everything by ear. Manicure? Good?
I mean, I do, but this
What?
would take too much time.
What? No, we got time. You want to get it done? Why not? See what the price list is. We'll look at the list. This is the list right here.
Precios. Los precios.
Manicure Pro. That's your
Son los
hands.
paquetes mejor.
Oh,
Ajá.
No, I don't want both. I just want pedicure.
feet. She's looking for her feet. Pedicure. Okay. So pedicure or pedicure pro or the gel. These are the pedicures. These two.
Yeah.
Oh, this is a massage and a pedicure. I recommend it. Of course. What you want?
Yeah, we'll do the massage and the pedicure.
Y empiezan los paquetes de manicure y pedicure en $6.50.
Oh wow.
I don't want a manicure.
She don't want the manicure. She wanted the massage. Y'all do this?
Yeah, that's the one.
That's what she want. That's what she want. Okay.
You got your pesos?
I got my card. Y'all take my card?
Ah, sí, tarjeta. Tarjeta. Sí.
Yeah, they take it. They card. Oh, it's in it inside. One momento.
What should they take?
Yeah, she said they do take cards.
¿Para la señora? Para la señora.
Right.
You want to buy now?
No, I just wanted to make sure y'all take it.
Okay.
Because some places only take the pesos. So I just want to make sure.
You understand a little bit.
No, we're good.
Take
We're
cards.
good.
Yes.
As long as you take cards.
Okay.
Got it. Gracias.
Only for the girl?
Yeah, just her. Alright. I'm not gonna torture y'all to sit through this. So I'll get back with y'all in a little bit. I'll let y'all see her getting set up a little bit.
A few moments later.
So I'm sitting here just waiting on my wife. She's getting a massage. She's getting a massage right now, and I've been sitting here waiting on the bench for a minute. It's been kind of wild. So I'm just checking in with you guys. We'll get back to the tour in a minute. But I did go shopping. Y'all saw that. Bought some stuff. Looking for somewhere else to buy some more trinkets for the spot. I haven't been successful in buying trinkets like I thought I would have been. I'm a little disappointed in that, but I haven't given up, and I will find some trinkets. All right. See you guys in a bit. Ran into a little show. Ooh, I think he kissed her. I think he got a kiss. I think he got a kiss. Oh, it's not over.
Hi to everyone. How are you?